Hey, you made it. We'll open the rest of these on the final little segment of the first fan mail of 2018. And we're gonna go and start with this one right here. This is from, I know what this is. This is from Joe. This is from Joe. Oh, Joe Terranella. Oh, this is gonna be so cool. Okay, I know what this is. I know what this is. I'm so excited. I'm so not gonna cut myself. Wow. Joe really knows how to pack a package. Good job, Joe. 3DKC, design, make, teach, Raspberry Pi Zero W for the Prusa Mark III. Yes, yeah, oh, and look at that, he's got a little SD card. He's got his JMT stickers, which looks like TMNT, I like that. And then inside this little case, and he includes Haribo and little Raspberry Pi Zero. Oh, and this is the little piece that goes inside the Prusa Mark III control box so that you can use Octoprint. It's Octoprint, yeah, and that's awesome. Joe, thank you for the candy, and well, I mean, thank you for the Raspberry Pi, and thank you for the box and the stickers and the little quick start guide and the SD card, most likely full of puppy pictures. That's fantastic of you. I will get it in as soon as I can. Thank you very much. Let's go to this box next. Yoink. Ooh, this is a big, heavy box, and this is from North Las Vegas. There's no name. So let's open it up and find out what's on the inside. This is some blue filament. Okay, this is Tyance. Tyance, wonderful printing starts with Tyance. 3D professional printer filament. High purity, continuous line, non-clogging. Look at that, that's cool. Who is this from? This is from, there's no name, I'm just checking. Just checking, okay. This is the little gift receipt here. There's no name on that. Well, whomever sent this, thank you. Next, this box. Let's open this. This is from, this originated in Poland. Okay. And it's got Sinterit. Ooh, it's got Sinterit. Okay. Okay, here we go. I think I have an idea what this is, and I am excited. Look at this, there's little candies. Krauka Polska. I don't know what that is, but it's candy, and I'm a big fan of candy. First, 3D printing nerd. Look at that. This is cool. Okay, it's a little 3D printing nerd keychain, and it's got gears on the back. There's other stuff in here. I'll zoom in just a sec. Or I'll do a separate video on this because this is incredible. Wow, everything's wrapped up. It moved. It moved. It's a little turbo. This is a tire. Oh my goodness, this is a turbo. Oops, dropped it. This is like a, look at that. Oh, you could, and this is all printed using their SLS machine. Oh, this is crazy. Look at that. This is a Christmas ornament printed in this, I believe this flexible material, but it's like a little ball. Oh, holy cats, look at this. Wow. This is incredible. Oh, this is this. Oh, so it goes like, let's see, it goes like this, right? Because it sits like this, and then it's got it sits like, how does it, I don't even know how this works. I think it sits like this, and it's got springs. That's cool. Look at that. And it's all printed in place. It's all printed in place. Oh, look at that. Oh, this is incredible. This is cool. Okay. I'm gonna make a separate video on this stuff because this is insane. In this special time of the year, one of the real joys is the opportunity to say thank you and wish you the very best for the new year. Your friends at Sinterit. Okay. Well, printed with Sinterit. Okay, and there's a picture of the box. Oh, is this It's a light bulb. It's a light bulb. Okay, hold on, let me get my battery pack. Okay, I've got my battery pack. I'm turning it on. Oh, that's epic. Oh, that's so freaking cool. Oh, Sinterit. Okay, this is awesome. First of all, I don't have an SLS machine. I have no experience with SLS machines, but the possibilities are extraordinary. And all of these deserve amazing 4K resolution close-ups, which I will do right after I'm done recording this. But thank you so much for this little gift of all these awesome prints. I will definitely show them off. Thank you so much. 2 more boxes. This one. No, this one. Do this one. This is from Ed. Ed in Woodland Hills. All right, right on top is this thing, and it says, "To Mr. the Nerd." That's me. My goodness. Well, let's open this first. I'm sure I'm not forgetting anything. I am not. Okay. Oh, here is a self-addressed envelope. I have some stamps, and inside is 25 US dollars. That's cool. I know where that's gonna go. Dear Joel, 3D printing nerd, this letter and package is way overdue. I wanted to get this out before the end of 2017, but I was lazy and didn't get it done. I did get a package sent off to you right before Christmas. I hope it arrived in one piece. I doubt that you would remember, but I talked to you at the Bay Area Maker Faire and asked about what you thought of Star Trek, because I had something I wanted to send but didn't want to unless you would enjoy it. Well, here it is. I have been printing now for 3 years and have learned a lot watching your videos. I enjoy tinkering with electronics and love mixing with 3D printing. This is one of the first projects I did combining the two. Keep up the great work. I've included a self-addressed stamped envelope without the stamp. Keep up the great work. I have included a self-addressed stamped envelope. Well, forgot the stamp, but that's okay. And something for the kids at the hospital. Looking forward to seeing your new bank. Fan Mail Friday videos are some of my favorites. High five. Ed. Yes, you did forget. Oh, yes, I forgot to bring the stamp, but that's okay. It's quite okay. Okay, that's packing. This is packing to keep it safe. This is whatever's inside. This is heavy. Okay, it's got power. Whoa, okay. I don't want to break it. Oh man, it's heavy. It's heavy. Oh, is this a warp coil? No. Oh, it's beautiful. Here, let's. This is okay. It's got a plug, which means I have to find some power. Hold, please. All right, I got a large outlet strip. Let's plug this in the back. Let's plug this in right here. Let's see, it's got a knob. Oh, No way. Oh, I'm cutting the lights. Are you seeing this? It's got a knob in the back, and if I turn it, it goes faster. And then you can just turn it super slow. Or you can turn it super fast. Oh my God, this is incredible. Let's see, make sure I didn't miss anything. Okay, Ed, this is incredible. Well, here, let me turn the lights back on. Oh, Ed, this is cool. This is really cool. And 25 bucks for the kids, that's amazing. First things first, let's take care of business. Get in there. Ed, my friend, this is gorgeous. It looks amazing. I can't put into words how awesome this is, and I can't believe you sent it to me. That's amazing. I will display this with pride, my friend. You, sir, you get a sticker. We're here. The last box of the first Fan Mail Friday of 2018. This is from somewhere. This looks like an Amazon package box, so could be from anyone, could be anything. I just don't know. It is, oh, it's more of that tiny filament. Let's see. This is PLA 3. This is 175, I guess. Here is, maybe this is all 175, I don't know. But hey, look at that. That's a bunch of filament right there. Let's see if there's anything on the note. There is not. So, mystery person, thank you for the filament. Well, that's it. That is all of the packages that I have since the last Fan Mail Friday. I really want to thank everyone for sending me awesome and cool stuff. I really want to thank everybody for giving money for Seattle Children's Hospital. If you want to get stickers yourself, but you don't want to send me a package, you can go to the3dprintingnerd.com/shop, and I have my stickers available in my web shop. I guess it's time to put away the new knife that I use for opening packages. You've treated me well. Beyond that, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing, and if you're not, you probably should. And while you're at it, ring that bell to be notified of when stuff like this is uploaded to the channel, and a big thanks for everybody that supports me in various ways. Finally, don't forget to hug each other more because I love you guys. As always, high five.